Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn momentum and collisions together, step by step. Momentum is the measure of how hard it is to stop a moving object. It equals mass times velocity, so a heavy truck and a fast bullet can both carry large momentum for very different reasons. Because velocity has direction, momentum is a vector too. A loaded train rolling slowly can be far harder to halt than a sprinter at full speed. Mass and motion combine. Here is the powerful rule. In a closed system, where no outside forces interfere, the total momentum before a collision equals the total momentum after. Nothing is lost. In an elastic collision, kinetic energy is conserved too, like ideal billiard balls. In an inelastic collision, objects may crumple or stick together, losing some energy to heat and sound, but momentum still stays perfectly balanced. Picture two bumper cars, each 2 kilograms. Car A rolls at 3 meters per second toward car B, which sits still. Before impact, the total momentum is 2 times 3, 6 units. They lock together, so now 4 kilograms shares that same 6 units of momentum. Dividing gives 1.5 meters per second. The combined cars glide off slower, but momentum is fully preserved. A cannon shows conservation beautifully. Before firing, nothing moves, so the total momentum is 0. When the cannonball blasts forward, the cannon must roll backward to keep the total at 0. The light ball flies fast while the heavy cannon kicks back slowly, but their momenta are equal and opposite. The same idea explains a gun's recoil and a swimmer pushing off a wall. To sum up, momentum is mass times velocity, a vector pointing the way an object travels. In any closed system, total momentum is conserved through every collision. Elastic collisions also preserve kinetic energy, while inelastic ones convert some into heat and sound. This single principle lets us predict bumper cars, cannon recoil, and even rockets. Momentum is the bookkeeper that never lets motion go missing. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.